Great, so now we've reached the part where we will talk about dictionaries. Dictionaries are the last data structure that we will talk about in detail during the course. Why? Because they are very important in use cases where you want to associate two values, where you want to keep pairs of values associated. For example, let's say that I want to associate chemical elements to their symbols. What I would do is I would define a variable and assign a dictionary. We define dictionaries with curly braces, also called curly brackets. And within the dictionary, we write key value pairs. We're going to associate a key to a value. The key is the value that we will use to refer to the value. Let me explain this with a more concrete example. The chemical element hydrogen has the particular symbol H. If we want to access the symbol of hydrogen, we will write in a particular way hydrogen, and then we will get access to its value. It's like in a dictionary. We use the word to get the definition. But in this case, we are using a particular key to get a particular value. We separate the key from the value with a colon and a space after the colon. And we separate key value pairs with a comma. Let's write more key value pairs. Boron, sodium, potassium, and iron. Okay, so we have a list of chemical elements and their symbols. So if we want to get the chemical symbol of hydrogen, what we would do is we would write the name of the dictionary, and within square brackets, like we used to write the indices, now instead of the index, we will write the corresponding key. So we're asking to get the value of hydrogen in the dictionary chemical symbols, and that will evaluate to this particular value associated to hydrogen. Now let's print this value and see what we get. We see the letter H because that was the symbol associated to hydrogen. Awesome work. Now let's test this with another key, sodium. We see the corresponding symbol. There is an important characteristic for the keys. They have to be of an immutable data type. So they can be numbers, they can be strings, they can be tuples, but they cannot be lists. They cannot be mutable, and they have to be unique. You can only have one hydrogen key in the dictionary, because otherwise the program would not be able to find that correct value. Now you know how to access the values of a dictionary. You can also find the length of a dictionary with the length function. That will give you the number of key value pairs. Okay? The number of pairs that you have in the dictionary. 5 in this case. And that is correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. That is correct. Now let's see how you can add a key value pair. To add a key value pair, you just need to write the name of the dictionary, chemical symbols, then the string within square brackets. This will be the new key of the key value pair, and then you write the value. CN in this case for sync. Okay, so after we add the new key value pair, we can print the dictionary to see the changes. Chemical symbols. We can see the dictionary right here, and you can see the new key value pair, sync, associated to the particular value CN. So that worked. Awesome, right? If the key is not new in the dictionary, if it already exists, then its value will be updated. Let's say that boron will no longer be B. It will be BOR. Just as an example, a hypothetical example, I know this will never change, but just for showing you how you can update the key value pair, then you would just write the existing key here and the new value, and that will update the value associated to the existing key, like this. Now boron is associated to the string BOR, bor. Great! You can also delete a key-value pair, like this. You write del, this is a statement, del is a keyword, and then you write the name of the dictionary and the key that you want to delete. That will delete the key-value pair. Okay, so if you delete it with the key, that will also delete the value. Then, after we delete that, let's print the dictionary. You can see that we deleted iron from the dictionary and now we don't see it in the output because it was deleted successfully. We also have some helpful dictionary methods, like for example, let's check this out. We write the dictionary and then we can also get the value associated to a particular key with the get method, hydrogen. We can also remove a particular key value pair with the pop method. That is another option. Let's say that we want to remove boron. Another option is to call the pop item method, which deletes the last inserted key value pair. Let's see these three methods in action. First, we have to print the dictionary, and here we have to print to see the value. So let's run the program. We get the value associated to hydrogen, then we pop boron, so we don't see it right here, and then we pop the last key value pair that was inserted. So now we see only hydrogen, sodium, and potassium. So iron was removed and boron was removed. We also have a method, clear, that removes all the key value pairs. So if we run it again, we can see the dictionary that is empty. And we can also update the dictionary with another dictionary to update multiple key value pairs at the same time. Let's say that the organization decided to change these symbols. Now we see that hydrogen was updated and iron was updated. So this is a cool way to do this on the same line. Great, so now you know how to work with dictionaries in Python. These are all the fundamental operations and characteristics that you need to know about a dictionary to start working with them in Python. In the next part of the course, we will start talking about conditionals. They are very important. Branching and conditionals let us write very powerful programs. So, I will see you then.